Alright guys, just getting in from work, but here we are guys. So what's good YouTube? It's your man, the son of some man.
Who's my son? Who's my son? Who's my son? Who's my son? Who's my...
And yes, we are back with another video. What's up guys? What's going on? How you doing? I hope all is well to whoever's tuning in, checking us out today. But if you are brand new, please do me a favor, hit that subscribe button down below. Also, please hit that notification bell. It'll let you know every time we drop one of these videos for you. Also guys, please do me a favor, check out J&M Sneakers. Their links to their Instagram, everything will be down below. Also too, if you ever heard of 8 and 9, this is the brand that actually takes care of me, sponsors me, sends me clothes here and again. And I want to give a huge shout out to Figs. I truly appreciate you guys. If you guys want to shop at 8 and 9, links are in the description. Also, you use the code SOMEMAN to save 15 to 20% off your entire purchase. And let me tell you, man, I'm gonna have a package coming from them soon, and I just love their clothes. Everyone has says nothing but good things about it, man. So please make sure you check them out. All right, guys. Today we have an interesting video going on. I want you guys at home to tell me whether these sneakers are real or these sneakers are fake. You're gonna be the judge, not me. I'm not gonna say one word. I don't know. We'll just see what happens with this video. But I want you guys to leave your honest opinions down in the comment section. Let me know if you think these shoes are real or fake. Or here we go. Let me know if you think these shoes are authorized or unauthorized, came from Nike or came from a different source. You let me know down in the comment section. What shoe am I talking about? The Air Jordan 1 Lost and Found. Bam! These were the biggest release of last year, and they're still talking about them this year. These are so fire. The colorway is just the best colorway I think on an Air Jordan 1 that can possibly ever be. Now the bread is very dope, the black and red, but these are exquisite, man. And what they did with the crackling of the paint and to make it that vintage look, make you feel like you had the sneaker for 30 years. Huge shout out to the actual collectors that have the original Michael Jordan sneakers, the original Air Jordan 1s. That's got to be such a cool artifact to have. Like really dope. I know a few guys out there. I actually know a couple of collectors. I don't know if you guys ever heard of Shoe Butter, but he's not really into sneakers as he once was. But if you know, you know, man. Also, too, huge shout out to AF Grails. If you haven't heard of him, you can check him out on Instagram. AF Grails. I'll spell it out right here for you so you can check him out. You know what? I'll leave his links to his IG in the description as well. But guys, without further ado, let's get into this review. All right, guys, we're gonna start off with the outsole of the shoe. We have a standard, iconic Air Jordan 1 outsole, but as you can see, it kind of got that wash look to it. Kind of looks like a shoe that has been sitting around for 30 years. Moving up your midsole, as you can see, it's got that vintage tint to it. Standard Air Jordan Chicago color blocking on the shoe throughout the entire shoe. We got your black swoosh. Now remember, I was mentioning the crackled paint. That's really fire, man. I really like that. Moving up towards the collar of the shoe, we got your Jordan 1 wing logo, debossed, I believe that's the word. I don't know if that's not right. Let me know in the comment section. Moving up to the collar of the shoe, as you can see, I mentioned that crackling paint. I think that just really sets the tone right there, man. Really dope. Taking a look at the inside of the shoe, we got the same crackling on the mid panel. As for your swooshes, black on the inside, black on the outside. Taking a look at the toe box, some more crackling, which I mentioned. Yeah, so the actual colorway of it is sail. So that's the color that's giving it that vintage look. Moving up, as you can see, we got a sail colored lace with also a black lace. So they come with two laces. Moving up, you kind of got that PP stained tongue, Jordan 1 tongue, nylon. You got your Nike Air branding on the top. Very dope. Really cool. Just love the smell of that. As for the inside of the shoe, we have an all white insole with the Nike Air in red. Now, I've never owned Chicago ones before. This is actually my first pair of Chicago ones. I tried to get a pair off my boy Isaiah. I think it was the 2015 pair. They were actually ran down. You could actually see the inside of the shoe. But yeah, man, I never got to purchase that shoe, but it is what it is. But anyway, guys, let me know down in the comment section what you guys think of the Air Jordan 1. Do you think it's real? Do you think it's fake? Let me know in the comment section. And follow me on Instagram. And I already posted a story. You can check that out. And that'll let you know if the shoe is actually authentic or if it's fake. But I want you guys to be the judge. So let me know down in the comment section. And as always, guys, thank you guys so much for tuning in. I truly appreciate you guys day in, day out. From the bottom of my heart, trying to produce the content as consistently as possible for you guys. But until next time, guys, it is your man, the son of some man, and we're out, guys. Peace.